guys, welcome back to LUIAN'S Fun Adventures. Today we're going to be making slime. Alrighty, here we're gonna open this up. It's a Nickelodeon slime crazy art kit that we got from Five Below, just $5. Open this up. Let's see what's in here. And we do not have all the supplies that we actually needed, so we're gonna improvise. Let's start. Let's see. You told me he's gonna teach me actually because I never made slime before. He knows more than I do, so this is gonna be a video.
Because I saw people making slime.
Oh, so
but you making slime, give me big thumbs up.
Alrighty, so let's begin here. We have, what do we do first, Luian? This is your slime moment. Glue?
Yeah.
So that means I will have to use. I'm gonna make it. You want glue? Alright. Okay.
What do we need glue?
First we need glue. I hate slime, guys. If you're a parent, you know slime. It's not going in. What? All of it? Success or fail. You'll see at the end of the video. Alright, what do we do now? Activator?
Oh, I know.
You know what is it?
What do we need? Activator.
Activator. No, this is a clear slime glue. So let's just put this aside. I think it's an activator. How much activator we put? Okay, I'll do whatever I want. We're going to put here. Okay, here you go. You want to mix yours? Ooh, we have these pretty little things here. We have stars. We have glitter, silver. You put the activator in it? You put enough? You're supposed to mix it. Mix it. I'm not doing it for you. Ooh, it smells so pretty.
Actually, it's not done already.
I got a mess.
Actually, not done already. Because, Mommy, we need for baking soda. That's why.
No, this recipe does not consist of baking soda. Wait, baking soda. When do you know that it's good?
We need for baking soda.
Well, we don't have baking soda. So, we can take this out.
So help me.
Just put it in there.
Okay, now we can do
Alright, I'm taking my slime out. See if it's work. Ah! Ah!
what?
No! Wait, it's supposed to be like this?
No,
How do you know if it's ready, Luian?
I don't know. I don't.
actually follow the instructions. You should have read the instructions.
It was not my fault.
Is it my fault?
You know what, guys? Blow this video. I'm getting out of here.
Look at this slime.
Mine is so ugly.
It looks nice. It looks so cool. It reminds me of Christmas. And this reminds me of a pink decor. You want to pull mine?
Ah, mine's so falling. You want to switch?
How do you kids like this stuff? Grab stuff.
Mommy, mine want to switch?
Alright, let's switch.
Yeah, because mine is not good.
Alright, I'll play with yours, you play with mine. Ah. Here you go. Kind of ribs. It's sticky and messy. There it is. It's pretty cool. I like it. For now, but after this, no. Alright, can I get mine back? Sorry. Yeah. Look at this thing, guys. So I want to say, I feel like this was actually a success. We improvise when you have instructions to follow. It's okay. You want to have mine? I'll give you mine. You know what we could do? We could give this to any of your subscribers. If you guys comment, the first one to comment on his YouTube video, slime, we will definitely give you the slime to you, okay? Look, it's already in a container, so whoever comments slime first on his video will definitely get this delivered to. Coming to the end of our video, I have fun making the slime. You have fun making the slime? Yeah, it's my first time actually. It is messy. I'm gonna clean this up after this. But we just want to say thank you for all his subscribers, and who haven't subscribed, make sure you